Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making an axe handle. Wanna join my free gift card giveaway? Just press the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And tell me in the comments that you subscribed. Yeah, I'm not giving away any gift cards, but what I am doing is making an axe handle. So I drew some lines to center the axe head and I'm just tracing it with a pencil. Now I'm tracing the tracing with a pencil to make the line thicker. And now I decided that the axe head needs to be a little bit inward. So now I'm redrawing it. Now to mark the depth of the axe head, the tenon part. Okay, now to saw the shoulders, I guess, or whatever the fuck. And fuck that's too slow. I'm going to the bandsaw. Okay, now I'm sawing some more and chiseling. And this is where the fun part starts. A fuck ton of filing. Good thing I bought new rasps, but yeah, there was a lot of filing this video. So what you do is you file a little bit, put the axe head on to fit it, hit it with a hammer, it leaves some marks, you do some more filing, and repeat that until the fucker fits on. And then you have to get it off. Now I'm matching the curve on the axe head on the handle and some more rasping. Okay, now to draw the handle. The design I found on the internet. I just googled the carpenter's axe. I don't know how long it's supposed to be, but I made mine 60 centimeters. Or for the Americans, it's about 6 Big Macs. Okay, now we do a little bit of sanding, but it wasn't a little bit of sanding. I busted out the angle grinder and covered my whole shop in sanding dust, so that was fun. So now I'm cutting a slit for the wedge and across two to fill up the hole better. And now I'm just hammering that some bitch in. Now 2 smaller wedges on the side, and I had a little gap in the back, so I filled that with another wedge. I'll cut off the excess. The coping saw was slow as fuck, and file it down smooth. Okay, now for the oiling. This is... I like this part. Okay, now it's time to test it out. And it works pretty good. It's meant to flatten logs and make them into squares. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterfly.